Good morning. It's Friday, August 11th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Showers, thunderstorms back in northwest Georgia, heading through metro Atlanta. We're about an hour difference than yesterday. These moved in around the 6 o'clock hour yesterday in the northwest Georgia. Now we're in the 7 o'clock hour, so pretty close to the same weather situation as yesterday. A few of those storms were strong to severe as they moved through Birmingham, and we could see a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms as we continue through this morning and certainly later on this afternoon. Let's take a look at our temperatures across the state. Have those low 70s with the showers up in northwest Georgia, 75 at the Atlanta airport, upper 70s in South Georgia, and a few low 80s in there again. So again, this is very identical to yesterday morning's weather pattern. So we take a look at our severe weather outlook. The light yellow area, that's our level 1 out of 5 severe weather risks. So that does cover the South Metro Atlanta, Macon, Albany, Statesboro, Savannah, and Brunswick, and Augusta as well. With that line of thunderstorms right now moving through Atlanta, going to continue to push toward the southeast. And as we continue to warm the atmosphere up today, we'll see a few of those go strong to severe. Strong straight line winds will be our main threat. Heavy rainfall. Tornado threat is pretty low for today. And then for tomorrow, general thunderstorm risk across the state of Georgia. Not going to be a big deal. It's going to be very hot and humid this weekend. But as far as our thunderstorms are concerned, no big surprises. And believe it or not, I did switch the map to Sunday, but there are no changes. So just that general thunderstorm risk across the state. Let's time out those showers and thunderstorms as we move through the morning, continuing to move across metro Atlanta. See some thunderstorms in Gainesville to Athens, and then that line continues to push down toward the southeast. You can see the bulk of that rain kind of starts to fade out as it heads toward Augusta, and then we pick up some thunderstorms on the south end of the line, hitting that warm, unstable air, so no problems picking up some thunderstorms down toward Americus, Cordele, and into Tifton. Albany will see some thunderstorms as well later this afternoon. And then it looks like a break in the line. If you connect the dots from Columbia, South Carolina, on down to southwest Georgia, that's the line. And we don't see a lot of activity in between those two clusters, but they could be there. So just know this model may not depict exactly where these storms are going to be, or if that line's going to be continuous or not. So it's very possible we'll see some strong to severe thunderstorms moving down through Jenkins County and into Metter, then eventually into Statesboro by 5 o'clock. Certainly thunderstorms continue into South Georgia, heading toward Valdosta as well. North Georgia, just some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Still plenty of heat and humidity on the backside of these storms. As a matter of fact, we'll start to get that moisture coming up from the ground later on this afternoon. So not only will the air be very stagnant, but you'll be getting a little bit of that evaporation, and that's going to be coming up and making it even more uncomfortable in north and middle Georgia. Heading into 7 o'clock this evening, we'll start to see that line push out to sea by 8 o'clock, maybe a few thunderstorms right there along the coastline from Savannah down to St. Simon's Island and Jekyll. And then overnight tonight, some clouds, a couple of scattered showers are possible. We start out tomorrow morning, we'll see a little bit of fog. Most of us will see a little bit of sunshine. Clouds will be mixed in there as well, maybe a shower or two, and then pretty quiet by tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see some thunderstorms fire back up again tomorrow evening. Again, our severe weather risk is very low tomorrow. Sunday, almost exactly the same thing, starting out with a little bit of cloud cover, and then in the afternoon, early afternoon, pretty quiet, late afternoon and evening, thunderstorms will fire up once again. Those temperatures are going to continue to climb over the next couple of days, that humidity right along with it, so very easily seeing heat index values in the 100-degree range up to around 115 is what it's going to feel like in some parts of South Georgia as we move through the weekend. So, yeah, very uncomfortable, beyond uncomfortable, really going to be getting into those dangerous heat index values. So just take it easy this weekend. Stay hydrated, stay cool. And I know, stay indoors, even though it's summertime. You want to stay indoors and stay cool as best you can. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.